Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
We're off with match 44 here on Curie. Red Alliance making a quick 1, 2, 3 notes into their speaker, and all three of those robots grabbing a second note from the midfield. 190, Gampe and the Herd going back for thirds and scoring one last autonomous note before we move into teleop. Red now has a healthy lead over blue with a 41-24 advantage. Each alliance quickly added a note into their amp. 2145 lining up, scoring that amp note over on the blue side of the field. They've also used their amp note for Cooperation and also scored another 2, which they're going to use to amplify their speaker. 8513 and Bot Busters both scoring amplified notes that are worth 5 points each, and both following it up with another one that's going to be 20 points during this amplification period for the Blue Alliance. A minute and a half left on the match. Red also now amplified. A lot of bots scoring one more amplified note before the amplification period ended. Their partner Gampe and the Herd scoring an unamplified note that's going to be 2 points for the Red Alliance. 75-31 is up against a little bit of defense and also in the passing mode for the Blue Alliance, trying to get around 2145 and also snatch notes from the Blue Alliance source zone. Each alliance still needs around 5 notes in order to get the Melody bonus ranking point. With a minute left on the clock, only 4 points are separating these two impressive teams. Unfortunately, the Red Alliance looks like they're down a robot. 2145 looks like they've lost power. However, their partners, Gampe and the Herd and a lot of bots, are lighting up the Red Alliance amplified speaker with notes, scoring, I believe, 3 or 4 notes into their amplified speaker. Blue Alliance wanted to get in on the amplification action with Prepatech Botbuster scoring an amplified note, and 75-31 Servo Strike back, just missing a follow-up shot for Blue. Blue now down 5 points. Red Alliance has come into the lead, even down a robot. A lot of bots scoring one more note into the speaker for Red, lining up to score again. Over on the other side of the field, we've got Sisters First scoring a trap note for the Blue Alliance and getting on stage. Their partners also on stage right as time runs out. The Red Alliance taking the win 93-90, a close match here on Curie. Each alliance earned the Melody ranking point during that match. Blue also got the ensemble, but ultimately it was Red that came out on top, getting 2 ranking points for winning